So a quick little heads up for those that are a little bit newer to the market. Tomorrow is the CPI data report, and I wanted to make you aware of how the market is currently trading and the similarities before or between right now and what happened the last time a CPI data report came out. So the last CPI data report was actually better than what was expected. It was released on July 11th, 2024, and it reminded me a lot of what's going on today, because if you look at today it's like this unbreakable channel, right? It's higher highs, higher lows, and rightfully so. If you're going long on a position, it makes complete sense because markets are bullish. So all of big tech are going up. And with that being said, you just want to make sure that you don't overcomplicate your trading and that you focus on that direction. Agreed. But does this mean that the market has to go up tomorrow? Well, it didn't last time. I'm not saying that it's not going to. I'm just saying that it didn't last time. If you look at July 11th, you guys can see the dates down here. July 11th, leading up to that CPI data report, that again came out better than what was expected. It's not that the CPI data report came in worse. The expectation was like 3.1%. We came in at 3%. So we came in better with a decline of 0.1%. It was the first decline that we've seen in the last 12 months before seasonal adjustment. So CPI report actually came out better. And then once the report came out, we initially moved up. And then later within the day, all we did was sell off. And a lot of people were confused, right? The idea was that, again, it's this common concept known as buy the rumors, sell the news. This thing was getting factored in advance that the market was going to, get a CPI report that was lower than what was expected. And that's why we gapped up and then aggressively sold off after the report already came out, because things were already factored in advance. So leading to what's going on right now, market's been going up for a few days. This is all leading up, right? The huge move that we saw today on TQQQ, we're up 7%. This unbreakable channel, higher highs, higher lows. It looks like everything is pointing up. Again, tomorrow's CPI report, for those that are not aware, gets released 1 hour before the market opens. It's going to be August 14th, which is tomorrow, Wednesday, 1 hour before the market opens at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I wanted to ask you guys, I really do not have to, but if you want me to go live to watch the market react to the CPI report, and we can watch it together, and then I can break down the report for you in details if you've never seen this happen. It's super simple. I want to make sure that you understand what was expressed in that report and not just, okay, it came in at 3.1%, because I believe market's current expectation is 3.1%. So if we come in lower than 3.1%, markets could potentially go higher for longer. But obviously, because we're already going up, are things getting factored in advance? And that's kind of the frustrating part about all of this. The thing that I would really pay a lot of attention to today is, are we going to get a break of pattern or begin to see some selling pressure into the market close? So as of right now, we've had this unbreakable ascending uptrend channel. It's showing signs of higher highs and higher lows. As we get closer to the market closing, remember, this report tomorrow gets released before the market opens. So a lot of people are going to want to do their job to lock in profits prior to the market closing. So we might see more selling pressure into the close. Not that we have to, but you can't be surprised. And that's if we actually get a break of pattern. There's no break of pattern yet. We're far above that EMA line and we're far above that moving average. I just want to make sure of what could happen so you are not surprised if it actually does. This has happened in the past before, which is why I'm simply making you aware. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And again, if you want me to host that free CPI data report live stream, get this video to over 500 likes and would be more than happy to host it 1 hour before the market opens. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.